detach, head over to our other spot. Here we go. Ooh, lizards. See them? Where? Right there.
You guys might be able to see him. Should have zoomed in. I can still see him. He's right there. Can you guys see him? You might not be able to.
All right. We just have electric here, so it's easy.
Yep.
That's it.
You can hear them moving.
It's pretty cool.
Yep.
All right. We'll chat later. Hey. We are headed to our second spot for the day. I don't like to stay in the same spot more than one night. I like to switch it up. So we are headed over to B002. That was B15. And then in Zion, in the main park here, there's one loop. It's the B loop that RVs get. And that's us. So we pulled out and now we're going to B2.
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 B2. What do you think about this trip so far?
I think it is absolutely phenomenal. If you have not been to Zion, I highly suggest you go.
Yep. And later in this video, today we are actually going to be going to the Narrows, which is going to be quite a challenge because we're going to be fighting against the current. What do you think about that?
Yes, we're going to do the hike called the Narrows, and then we actually went and rented water shoes. They're canoeing boots that are good for water, rocks, all of the above. And then we actually got neoprene socks we rented with walking sticks, and it was a total of about $25 a person to rent that, and you can rent it for about 24 hours.
It wasn't that bad.
So that's our plan. And they made it super easy. The guy was super nice. You just walk up, say, hey, I want to rent some stuff, and they size you up and you're good to go.
Yep.
And then you do have to take a shuttle up to the trailhead. I have discovered, with only being here less than 24 hours, that Zion is a national park, and then there's a park inside of a park, kind of a private section. So you've got the national park, and then you have where you have to get a bus pass or a permit to go into another section, which has all of the hiking trails. And that is hard to get because you have to be online the day before at 9 a.m. precisely to buy a bus pass. Because with COVID, they are limiting bus seats. I believe it used to be free, but not anymore. It's $2 per person.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad, but I was online at exactly 9 a.m. and 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning were all already sold, which I don't even know how that's possible because it was literally only 9. So, make sure you get your bus tickets.
Yep.
B2, I think that's us.
Right there?
Alrighty. So do you want to hop out and see if that's...
That is B2.
Say lane?
Huh?
What does it say?
B2. It's reserved for, yeah, B2.
Alright, we're going to take it.
Yay! I'm gonna...
Just stop it.
Alright, you guys, so we're basically backing up into this flat spot. I like this last one more, but it wasn't flat, so hopefully this one will be better. Alrighty. Keep going, Mom. Keep going. Turn your wheel. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. 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 Stop.
What?
You need to turn your wheel left.
Why?
I mean right. Sorry.
Why?
Because you're gonna go into a plant.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's better. Keep turning. No. Alrighty. That should be. Yeah, I see the hookups. It's not bad. Alrighty. Keep going. Keep going. And no. Keep going. Stop. There you go. Right there. And the hookups are right here. So,
Oh, look at that.
yep.
Yay. All right, so I'm gonna back up my tire just a little bit, and then that'll put some more in the shade. Wow, we got a little creek. This is the best spot ever. Look at this. We got a creek, and look at the view. Check the view.
Wow, look at that, guys.
That's pretty amazing.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
Let's see if we're level.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, guys, I can see if we're level. Go inside.
Check the leveler.
Leveler. Where's the leveler?
I don't know. It should be up above.
Oh,
Right there.
here it is.
The level there.
Yep, it's level. Perfect.
Okay.
Now let's go down here. Level.
Now, why are you doing that, Logan?
What?
You know?
Yeah.
Why you want it level?
Because of the fridge.
Smart.
And then over here. It's level.
Are we seriously solid?
Yep, seriously solid.
Yes! Way to go, Logan! That's awesome. No blocks. Let's go hook up the AC.
Alrighty, let's go hook up. This door is kind of broken. Because sometimes it locks on its own. But I think it literally just did that. The heck? Never mind. It's just hard to open, but it's doing. There you go.
All right. So this is basically what most RV electrical outlets look like. And that's it.
Yep.
Yay!
Oh wow, guys! I just wanted to show you
Another thing that's super important, especially if you're traveling with kids, which I always do, is a first aid kit. $9, Walmart. It's actually lightweight and it'll fit in any backpack. So I actually open it up and then I'll throw in the little chewable Tylenol and then some for adults. You never know. I mean, we've been on trips where the kids get hurt, cut knees, the whole nine. But super important, so make sure you always have a first aid kit. And sunscreen. And water. Okay? No, and water. Lots and lots of water.
especially when you're going on hikes that are
Super hot outside.
especially
So yes, first aid kit, extremely important. All right, so we finally are ready, and we had to go rent these shoes. You see them? These are mountain canyoneering shoes, and they actually come with neoprene socks, and you rent them for 25 bucks a person with walking sticks. And we have all the water gear that we possibly could imagine, and we're packed out full. So, and then we are trying to keep everything as dry as possible because the last thing we need is to be wet and cold. Hypothermia will set in and it's miserable and we don't want that. So, make sure you've got extra change of clothes and swimsuits. Check out we got, and we're good to go. Here we go.
Okay, so basically you need this backpack right here. If you want, you can just bring this to put all your stuff in, like your food, water, your anything that you want to bring, just put it in here. It's a waterproof bag. And I have the shoes on as well, and shoes with these
neoprene
socks. And then I have my swimsuit on. And then here are the sticks that you're probably gonna want to need for the hike, because it's like, isn't the water like up to here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's up to here, and there's rocks, so you're gonna want to use a stick. And yeah, we'll show you guys the footage of us at the Narrows, which we haven't done yet, but yeah, stay tuned.
How do you open this darn thing? I don't get it. How does it open? What the? It's child-proof or adult-proof?
Is that even a thing?
So this slides. I got that. I just bought this one because we used the other one, and I can't figure out how to open it. I'm hurt. Help me. I need tape. I can't get to my first aid kit. Hold on. I'll be with you in an hour when I get it open, right?
Yeah.
If I don't want to break it. It would help if you remove the tape.
You didn't remove the tape?
That just happened.
You didn't remove the tape?
I didn't remember there's side tape. Oh, blonde moment. I don't even think I can still even open it. That's hilarious. Well, the tape is smarter than I am. There we go! I did it! Hour later! Oh, I'm sorry, were you bleeding to death? Hold on, let me get my first aid kit. Oh, I love it. We knew what we're doing, Logan.
Yeah.
Oh, cold compress, super important. Everything we need. And then we'll just put some Tylenol in here in case, and that's it. Bye.
Wait, no, this is the end of the video, but just
Stop it.